The solution for this example, notice we've given up here what the start month and end month is. This should give you a clue. What we need to work out is what was the interest charged during this year, but we know that during the year we made monthly payments, so it cannot be opening balance times the percentage. So the function to use here is the CUMIPMT. What's the interest rate? It's going to be this $signs divided by 12. What's the total period of the loan? That is $signs. What's the present value? We're going to do the drawdown amount here. What's the start period? I'm going to say look at that cell there. What's the end period? Look at that cell there. And what type of loan? We're going to put 0. So when I say OK, it tells us where here we said there was a charge of 110. Here we seem to have 102. It is a negative sign, so I'm just going to convert it because this is what we're saying we're charging. I can copy that across. How much is repaid of interest? I'm going to say equals minus whatever's in there. Okay. How much was repaid of the capital? So I'm going to use now the CUMPRINC for cumulative principal. What's the rate? It's this divided by 12. Number of periods, that cell, put the $signs on. Present value is this amount here. Probably should more correctly use that one there. Start period, use that cell. End period, use that cell. Type 0. When I say OK, it's 159. When I copy it across, you'll see now you have a significantly more accurate calculation. So here's the actual interest charge, here's the actual capital paid, and we get our closing balance back to be 0. Notice that the total repayment amounts are exactly the same. So the issue here is not that you will get your cash flows wrong. The issue here is that the interest charges differ quite significantly, which will then affect your tax.